There's Sienna and CWD Onyx. He finally went over the mountain. The only thing is he doesn't like to come in. Doesn't like to come in over it. So this morning I was out in my socks trying to get him to come in. Doesn't seem like a lot of snow, but as you can see, there's a gate. Got a little bit. It's a drift is what it is. We got drifted. Yeah, so that's facing west. So it's pretty drifted that way. Out in the middle of the yard, it's not really too bad. But you get up closer to the house and it really, really moved it in. I've never had snow like this come up this close anyway. So, but it was just whirling yesterday. So, anyway, car's still stuck. I think I'll wait until tomorrow. See if I can do anything about it. But anyway, stay safe, everyone. Kiddo out.